Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Chinese garlic sauce. Our ingredients, we have half a cup of vegetable broth, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a half tablespoon of sesame oil, a quarter tablespoon of red pepper flakes, a quarter tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of rice wine. In the pan, you want to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of fresh garlic, and 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Then you're going to add all your ingredients for the sauce into a medium bowl and stir with a whisk and set aside. Then you want to heat your vegetable oil in a saucepan or skillet over medium heat. You want to add your fresh garlic and ginger. And then you want to saute anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, stirring frequently. You want to whisk in your sauce, pouring it into the saucepan. Bring the sauce to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes until thickened. You can use this sauce immediately for stir fry, or you can let it completely cool and pour the sauce into a clean jar. You can store in the refrigerator anywhere from 4 to 5 days. Enjoy.